Welcome. In front of me I have Mobvoi TicWatch Pro 5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can tap and hold on the screen, rather press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. So if you press and hold on the current watch face, after a second or two, the watch face menu will open. And you can scroll through this menu by swiping left and right on the screen. You can find the watch face you would like to use on your watch. And once you find it, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also customize some of the watch faces. So some of them have the edit button under them. You can tap on the button. And this one, for example, we can change the widget. So let's change it to something like maybe battery. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to apply the changes. You can also change the watch face through the settings. So let's say you wake up the screen on your watch, you can press the crown button to open the menu. Then you can scroll through the menu, find the settings icon. Once you find the settings icon, you can tap on it. Here you can find the display option and select it, and then scroll down and find the change watch face option and tap on it. And once you tap on change watch face, it will open the watch face menu. You can find the watch face you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.